You want a Batman painting?
What gives you the right? What's the difference between you and me?
I'm not wearing hockey pants.
I've already cut out this big Batman, so I'm just giving it a quick outline and then take it off. I've left the symbol cut out his chest. You'll see why in a second. Okay, using my straight edge here, I'm just marking out 2 lines either side of the bat symbol. Now I'm coming in with some flame blue all over here. A couple little blasts of this true cyan. Now I want all of this covered in black. Sticky! This is Gotham at night, so we need a few little stars. Back in with the flame blue, one streak up here and one up here. Now using the lines I made earlier, I just want 2 little streaks of yellow cab. On guard. Now I can use my scraper here to start building Gotham City. Now with some black, I'm just going to shade out the bottom of these buildings so I can add another layer. This next layer of buildings can afford to be a lot bigger. And one more layer, why not? Okay, so a bit more flame blue down here. Now we want to grab this guy, lay him down right here. Bit of Nautilus blue down here. Bavaria blue just next to that. Bit of that true cyan and just there. And some white right down the middle. Now we're going to dip that down and give it a little jiggle, just left to right.
My money don't jiggle jiggle.
I'm just shading in some of these darker edges. With this guy, I just want to line up my waterline here and just shoot it with some white to give myself a misty waterline. So now I have a villain right here and it's going to be the Joker. Just take some sweet dreams and just lay that down here. Some greenery just on top of that. And some black just over the top of all that. Grab the weekly and crumple it up. Shaping it up into something like this, and I'm just going to give it the draggy right down here. And across here. Now with my palette knife, I'm just coming in and adding all the rest of the detail here.
Holy ravioli!
I've gone for Heath Ledger's Joker here, which is obviously the best one. Now with some magic white, I just want to add some mist to the base of my painting. Make it all murky on this side. Now this needs to be drier than Gandhi's flip-flop. Hockey pants. Now I want some yellow cab right in my bat hole. Now I want a lot of the background covered in this sweet dreams, but I also want some of this acid green just poking out the edge of Batman. I'm going to cover the whole thing in crackle white. Now we just smash it with a bit of heat. Yeah, boy! Of course, not forgetting to squiggle mad diggle. And boom! Whoa, jeez, that is fire!
I am 100% not wearing hockey pants.